Shout out to Dan Fishing TV, 11 live viewers. And also Beast Mode TV, 29 live viewers. Shout out to all of you guys. Shout out. Right now we trying to pull the big fish. It's already been hit. Sumabit pa, kawawa na may isda. Wasak yan. Okay guys, we need to follow my friend. You see guys, we are walking. Ah, that's a good size, sir. Daplis lang yan. Hindi ka mo. Buti maliit. Guys, did you see? That's a good size. Good size. That's enough. Yeah. That's a pretty delicious fish. Small fish, that means very young.
How many
So,
fish do you catch?
this morning we already have 7.
7?
Yes, we already catch 7 fish.
How many carp?
2 carp, 2 carp and 5 tilapia. Right now guys, you see? Mamayang bitawan pre. Great. Okay, so did you see that? Oh, so many fish. We need a luck today because we need to hit another one. Okay. Okay guys, we aiming for another target. Aiming for another target guys. Hoping we catch fish. Oh, I just saw another one. Woo! Catch another one, my God. That's a very, very lucky day. May tao na pala dun. May tao na pala dun nakapayong. Good morning to all of you guys. Hoping you're enjoying our live stream right now. Shout out to all our live viewers out there. Please comment down below which country were you from guys. And what time is in your country right now. Because right now here in Taiwan is almost 10 o'clock in the morning. How about in your country guys, my friends? What time is in your country right now? Okay guys, we aiming for another target. Yun!
One more?
One more guys. There's another catch. An easy catch.
Come here, my...
Kahit mahina na doon, kaya di na masyado tumatagos eh. Kasi mahina na pagdating layo eh. Guys, we catch another one while sitting. My friends is already sitting while he hunt fish. That's a skill guy. Woo! His eyes is so good in fishing guys. His eyes is so good in fishing. Nalaglag lang yun, nalaglag.
5
Wow!